Um, we're on Underhalls. I don't know, I'm just gonna kind of speed run it. Well, obviously I'm gonna get the super shotgun because why would I not get the super shotgun? That's like not getting $1 billion when it's sitting right in front of you, you know? Kind of sucks we won't have it. We probably won't have it for like a lot of levels. Considering, unlike the regular shotgun, it doesn't just like, you know, drop from enemies. And I'd say it's about the same level as the rocket launcher, I guess. I don't know, man. Shut up. Hey, I silence you. No, I guess I'll go for that secret. Cause like it's a blue armor suit. Why would I not go for it? I don't know why I opened that. I'm not doing 100% or anything, so it was useless. Please blow up that barrel. What? There we go. Ow! That would have been really sad if I died.